part D then is a transformer question. And D represents a transformer with a primary coil of 90 turns and a secondary coil of 300. So this coil has got 90 and this one has got 300. There's no problem you writing numbers onto your exam like this, and you should do that if it helps you see things more easily. What type of operating voltage does a transformer use? A transformer uses alternating current. It doesn't work on DC current, and the reason it doesn't work on DC current is because you need a changing magnetic field here to produce a change here and to produce induced current. And if you have DC current, the current's flowing in one direction only. Whenever it's switched on, you will get current induced here and then nothing else, no matter how long it's left on for. You need this continually changing, and alternating current changes direction, and therefore the magnetic field also changes direction constantly north to south. What's the name given to the type of transformer shown above? So you've only 90 coils in the primary but 300 in the secondary, so it must be a step-up transformer. And the last part of the question, the voltage connected to the primary coil is 12 volts. Calculate the output voltage of this transformer. So the voltage connected to the primary coil is 12 volts. So if we write down the equation, primary, and we're looking for the secondary voltage, and that's equal to the number of turns in the primary over the number of turns in the secondary. So we'll just do it this way. You can also, of course, do it in a ratio idea. So we'll just do it this way. And so you have got 12 volts in your primary. You don't know the voltage of the secondary yet. You've got 90 turns on your primary and 300 on your secondary. So I'll just rearrange this to get the answer. Vs is going to be equal to 300 times 12 divided by 90. We just cancel out a couple of knots there, and you get an answer of 40 volts. Now, if you find it difficult to rearrange and so on, and you can see this answer much more easily using ratios, use ratios. And the ratios there are, the ratio of the primary to the secondary is 90 to 300. And so if you look at the ratio there, that is a ratio of 3 to 10. So 3 into 9 goes 3, and 3 into 30 goes 10 times. And again, if you divide it by 3, you get 1 to 3.33. So you know that the output voltage of the secondary is 3.33 times what the primary is, and the primary is 12, so the output is 12 multiplied by 3.33, and that also gives you 40 volts.